forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes.
Nothing wrong with
They
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know.
Yeah, my people, with all Sunday though. Yeah, next day Monday. So we come to mama and mama, so we come for dinner. Easter dinner, me and you with them. That mama say. So we run up here.
Good kitchen.
See the youth them there. Mama say we come for dinner. So we there in that place. We and them a whole vibe. So can't drop the thing. Yeah. You know everything go for mama, you know. Something always there left. I already done it long time, 2-3 hours ago. Something always there. See it there? See there? There's something there. Something always left there, man. You know, grandma says things set up. I dash you up on them. Ah, Jesus. God bless our grandmother. Every grandmother. You good one them. And some of them are normal, you know. But yes, grandma. See them in there? Go on the antics. All the puss happy, man. Yeah, puss I enjoy himself right as now. With all the puss. No wrong with puss. So what's the mama cooking I agree with this? Never drop it, man. See there? It's still at work, you know? But that's still at work. That's going on. See there? One cup big so. Take carrot juice now that. You think I joke? Let me tell you. For mama. I never come up every weekend now. Don't know about something. See chicken there? Yeah, in the right there. See him? Yes, I saw them right. Chicken. Yeah, I'm that. So, you talk about chicken? Them brother have a finger licking.
Yeah, man.
It's a chicken. Them brother has a finger licking. See them there? I want to lift my business in my go with you now. Grandma have black left. You know something I left from my corner there. See them, man? One knock. Two knock off. Man, them have it good, man. Mama chill out there. Yeah, man, I countryside. Mama sit down and do here. Yes, man. The best that in the world. Right, that's up, mama. I mean, I'm around people. Since I can't tell what that's up, I go and do anything. See one push that? Yes. See them there? Well, look at this now. Look at she. People. That is Michaela. Yeah. She a tourist. Walk on about the place without dark glass and straw hat. But she a tourist. In her mama bed. See her there? In her grandmother bed. You know, alright. If I saw me, I go see her, I saw me, I go see her. See her there? Alright, mama. You good now? That's what she go on for you. That's what I think set up. Don't want to drop her thing. Alright. I see you that. See them? And we further. See them there? I think it's up there for mama. The last part of it. Ah, God. Yeah. One of them prayers I give so where they walk and they're pleasing, you know. So when this is mama cooking, I great this. Or something, yeah. To them boys, I don't want to see them and eat, they eat and feed them in a long time. You don't want to see them and eat. But see there? Mama cooking are the greatest. Yeah, that's the latest. Yeah, man. We're not gonna raise this. Right there. I swear. Yeah, so we come to mama and I did like that. So them picnic eat. I mean, picnic there 4. Me and 3 of them. And them eat up them dinner already. 3 know I see them and eat. And you know them thing, you know, feed them thing going. Yeah. So if you grab back one piece, that's what me right now. That's what me am. We never drop it. And some people actually swap it. Yeah. And as them prayers. Don't like liars. No, for we come on the farm, we have to check the production. Yeah, we have to check the production, so I go and run the thing there. Oh, see that? See that, my peeps? There's something there. There's a pot of food that I cook for the pig them. Pot of food. Yam and banana and dumpling and some more things. Yeah. The original traditional way we are going, because you know something I go to feeding. Whole heap of steam. Big pot of food for the pig them. Yeah. The man. Fire for burn. They want a pig food, man. Nah, them something there. The man in there, so they take care of the thing. Yeah, we're gonna swing. Of course, that thing we get yesterday in the market, you know. Yeah, man. A whole box of things for the pig them. Crazy vegetable. Yeah, man. The plates. The same thing there, you know. Never drop it. You cross the thing. Yo, something in that car there. I can't come my season. Check it out. Where are you, Mr. Carter?
I'm there, take it easy, man.
You for there, man?
Yeah, man.
I'm seeing that pen a while ago, I want to hear for them.
Yeah, but do that for them, no?
Yeah.
You don't see Nigel.
You're not going there yet?
Look in the man, I want my guys out there too.
Huh?
Daddy.
Right there.
See that? Cocktail on the pan.
Yeah,
So make the special
my peeps.
one bag of salt. Me I say that when if one more salt to your salt proportion.
No, that the thing that's alright.
Alright. That me I say.
One bag of put in there, no?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
That me I say. That me I say.
Yeah, my peeps, see there? Yeah, man, a whole pot of food. Yeah, pick them nice. Carrot, banana, yam, pumpkin, tomato, the whole works, everything like that. Yeah. The pig feeding, was the original thing that, you know. Yeah, that's someone who has pig feeding, cook some pig feeding and feed the pig them. So you never know about bag feeding at that time, but through the things set up away, you know, we have to just do what we have to do and get into the play. So that's everything there. Drum full of feed for the pig them. Oh, yes, sir, man. Down the street. So I'm going for the pig them cross the free. Oh, that them do? In there? The man that. The next man there. Nothing wrong with that. See, you know, people supposed to be when they come out. Supposed to be see when they come out. I want a little worm. See him there? You know that? You think we'll take more water? Yeah, man. Yes, man. You know, peeps. Nice and pretty. Yeah.
And you don't drink clean water.
I understand me.
Double water.
Yeah, man. Give them, put the water nice.
Double water.
But that them need, you know something they go. Yeah, my peeps. Mama there. Wagwan. Wow. Oh, me see that, man.
Before me do that, give them.
Little one, my peeps. Throw some water in that. Throw some water in that for them. Yeah. Give it one, because no other water if you didn't get it. Should I get him? Right away. See them peeps. Look at one them, the barn ready. Or them that, you know. Yeah, man. Mama there. Go to water, I think.
Go on, man. Go on.
It's work, man. She female that. Yeah, for them times soon come to get some production. Yes. I go on the next side. You have 10 around there. 9 and mama. So you may peep. So the next piece of penny I put on right now in the meantime. And we need them because you see them small pig there come. Find space for them. You know, I don't want to mash up the breed. So we have to separate the man from the woman then. And keep the thing work out to work. Yeah, what mama? Yeah, see them there. Yeah man, if you always have water there's something there, Robin, because we don't want anything else in this water, you understand? Yeah, just show water and I give them, man.
You can see.
That's how she go on. So, yeah, and then we learn do them things together. Yeah, just show water and I give them. Show them on water. Because we didn't catch up, sir. Make sure them on water and that. How you mother go on, sir?
You know you want to.
You know, go up some for your water, man. What's wrong with you? Yeah, over the side of your water there.
Fresh
What's
water.
wrong with you?
Fresh water and the gear this man.
You may peep the production that, you know. Yeah, to God be the glory. Yeah, I'm not going to know the story. See him there? Three of them. So let me see, 3 female. So them have to better job like it to water now.
Yeah, no say, I think I go here see.
You give them some water? See him that work? You think no water is? Water in there? So you come on like them. Yeah, my peep, that's how the thing go. The mama there. They come on them cross the free. Beautiful. Yeah. Yes, sir. Get that some bread over there. Yes. Eat veg. And all these things. They might cane there. Cane and what about the cabbage and something there. Yeah, you might take cane right now. You know the thing though. You know sweet pepper ones that we eat there and some more things. Lettuce and all these things. Something on them cook food for the pig then. Yeah man, I eat that man. Yam, banana, pumpkin, carrot, chocho, Irish potato. The whole works. Everything in that. Cocoa, dasheen. Yeah, right in there. The pig feeding them. Yeah, original thing go man. Go back a grass out to the pig feeding thing. And a whole pot of that. Yeah, chat about.